Hey content creators, do you want to make easy, professional looking YouTube thumbnails that help your videos get more views and help you make more money? Then I'm going to show you guys how in this video tutorial. Thumbnails are one of the most critical elements for new YouTubers to help you get more clicks and subscribers. In today's video, we will show you how you can use Canva to design professional looking thumbnails. I will design a thumbnail with you step by step. We will design a thumbnail using a preloaded template just to show you how easy it is, and we will also design one from scratch. It doesn't matter if you're a real estate agent that's running a YouTube real estate channel, someone running a gaming channel, or even a food channel. No matter what your YouTube niche is, Canva will work for you. And if you're brand new to Canva, they are an online graphic design tool that is completely free. However, there is a pro version that adds tons of more features. We're going to be using Canva Pro in this tutorial. The Canva Pro subscription does have a cost, but it's highly worth it in my eyes in terms of the time it will save you and the value you will get. You can sign up for a special 30-day free trial using my link in the description below to see if it's the right fit for you, and you can always cancel before the end of the trial period if you don't think it's worth the cost. Personally, I love using Canva so much I would never think about canceling. Remember, Canva is meant to be simple and easy for beginners, so let's jump right into it. Number one, first gather any images or photos that you would like to use in your thumbnail. You can upload these images and photos and also use the graphic elements of Canva later on. Number two, alright, after you signed up for Canva, you will see the Canva homepage here. As you can see, Canva has so many different design elements that you can design pretty much anything, but don't let all the options spook you. Number three, simply click on social media and then click on YouTube thumbnail. Alternatively, you can also type in YouTube thumbnail in the design anything box. Now you will get to this screen and you will see that there are tons of pre-designed templates for all different types of niches. Canva gives you the ability to edit out these templates, making it super simple. And don't worry if you can't find the perfect template yet. I will simply select one for now. After I selected one, you will get to this screen. Now let's go over some of the functionality on the left-hand scroll bar. You have templates, which are basically pre-designed images where you can easily edit out text and images to make your own design. This is what we will use to make our simple YouTube thumbnail. You have uploads where you can upload your own images and videos. You have photos where you have tons of royalty-free images that you can use. You have text where you can play with different fonts, colors, and headings, which are pre-designed. And you have elements where you can find free icons and shapes. Finally, you have background where you can basically start off with a blank canvas and select something that interests you and make a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. We'll do that with you guys a little bit later on, so don't worry. But first, let's make an easy thumbnail together using a preloaded template. I'm going to type in gaming in the search box and you will see tons of pre-designed gaming YouTube thumbnails that pop up. Now, keep in mind if you're doing food instead, if you type in food, you will see tons of food thumbnails that you can scroll through. And if you're doing real estate, if you type in real estate, you will see tons of preloaded real estate thumbnails. Canva is just so versatile, you'll find something for any niche. For our example, let's go ahead and create a thumbnail for a gaming YouTube channel. First, I'm going to pick a template that I really like, and it's as simple as editing out some of the images and text. So go to the Uploads tab and hit on Upload Files and upload an image of yourself that you want to use for this gaming channel. So I'm going to upload a picture of me. After that is done, simply drag and drop that image of you in the Uploads folder to the default stock template picture. And look at that, you are now on the thumbnail. Next, simply edit out the pre-existing text on the thumbnail to something that you want to use. For this example, I will use something like Ray the Roblox Gamer. And it's as simple as that. You can obviously delete elements you don't like, you can move them in different directions, or you can even change colors. Because I want my thumbnail to be Roblox themed, I'm going to upload also this image of Roblox, and I'll show you how easy it is to modify the banner so that now my gaming channel is Roblox themed. It's as simple as that. Now when I'm done with all my edits, all I need to do is hit the share button, hit download, and boom, your YouTube thumbnail is downloaded. You now have a professional looking YouTube thumbnail, and we designed it in less than 5 minutes. Now let's do a YouTube thumbnail for a professional real estate agent. I'm going to select a different template, and then I'm going to upload a different picture of me. So watch carefully what I do next. I'm just going to hit a template. I'm going to change the default stock image picture to the image of me. And let's change the text to something like this. Ray the real estate agent. And boom, we are done. Let's download the image and boom, another YouTube thumbnail done for you in less than 5 minutes. Obviously, if you want to go more advanced, you can play with the transparency level of the images and add additional elements. Canva has tons more advanced features, but I'll save that for another tutorial. I'm going to show you guys one final thing where we basically design a YouTube thumbnail from scratch. So watch carefully and we're going to go and do it right now. Alright, I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Once again, if you guys sign up for Canva using my affiliate link below, you will get a 30-day free trial. If you guys want more video tutorials like this, it would really help me out if you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll make more free video tutorials for you guys in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.